Was there a moment you glanced in the mirror and thought, could things be a little tighter? Yeah, this one is for everyone silently nodding. All right, in this video, here's what's on the menu. I'm deep diving into 5 popular body sculpting machines that promise to smooth, tone, and sculpt at home without leaving the living room. Each one's getting a real talk review straight from hands-on testing, what's worth it, what's just hype, what actually gives results. Let's count it down from 5, starting with the ones that need some improvement and moving right up to the absolute best. 5. Redu Sculpt 3-in-1 Body Sculptor. Let me explain. The first time picking up the Redu Sculpt, it feels solid, looks sleek, and promises a lot. Spa-grade toning, firming, and a reduction in cellulite, all from the comfort of home. It comes with interchangeable cups for large and small areas, so you can target thighs, stomach, arms, pretty much wherever. It's cordless, easy to take along for travel, and yeah, they even toss in a little contour oil as a bonus, which sounds nice, right? But here's where things get, well, iffy. The results are supposed to show within 2 to 4 weeks when paired with that vitamin C oil. For me, the toning felt mild. Like, yeah, the skin's a little firmer after a session, but mostly due to the massage and suction, but nothing jaw-dropping. It does feel therapeutic with a warming, massaging action that's honestly pleasant, but those big claims about sculpting? And then, let's talk trust. A little digging reveals Redu Sculpt's got some drop shipping routes and a pretty hefty markup for what's essentially a generic device. Some users online reported it didn't last, they had issues after a few months, plus customer support that's not exactly speedy with solutions. The red light feature is neat, but don't expect miracles. The science isn't really there for huge fat reduction. Number 4. VOYOR Electric Body Sculpting Machine. This thing looks harmless, almost like a fancy electric shaver with a bunch of attachments. So I gave it a go, mostly on my legs and post-workout sore spots. The 3-in-1 motor does have power, and it actually feels great for a deep tissue massage. There are 3 speed settings and a slew of rotating heads, so you can dial in the vibe you want, gentle, or if you're feeling brave, full deep tissue mode. As a massage tool, the VOYOR is honestly pretty solid. Muscles recover, tension melts, and it works wonders on post-gym soreness. The floating foil head is designed for close contact, and swapping heads is a breeze. Although, fair warning, keep track of them, they roll under couches. But on sculpting and actual contour changes, I wasn't blown away. Cellulite looked a bit smoother after continual use, but it wasn't the dramatic difference that marketing hints at. Also, it's not the quietest device in the room. And frankly, after prolonged sessions, it can get a little warm and slippery if you're not using enough oil. Still, if you're after a budget-friendly muscle recovery tool that does a bit of double duty for smoothing skin, this is a decent deal. Just don't expect it to handle major body contouring solo. 3. DS SAVORING Body Sculpting Machine. First impressions, sturdy, handheld, really ergonomic. The DS SAVORING is loaded with different massage attachments, 8 of them no less, so you've got a tool for every job. And wow, using it is low-key addictive. After a few weeks of using it on my arms, legs, and yes, even the stubborn bat wing area, I could feel a noticeable difference, especially in relaxation and easing out tension. Lymphatic drainage definitely seems to help, especially post-sweat. The device is totally portable, so bringing it along for a quick recharge during travel or, honestly, while watching TV is easy. What I loved was the clear instructions and variety. You want deep tissue? There's an attachment for that. Gentle surface smoothing? Got it. In terms of actual reshaping, results are gradual but visible. Clothes felt looser, stomach felt flatter, and a couple of friends even asked if I'd lost weight. That's a win to me. If there's one bone to pick, it's that some attachments feel more effective than others, so you have to experiment a bit to find your favorites. Still, for a mid-price sculpting machine, this one genuinely changed up my routine in a meaningful way.
2. LIFEPULSE Health Cordless Body Sculpting Machine. All right, second place, LIFEPULSE Health Cordless. There's something just easy about this one. It's lightweight, cordless, which means you can actually move around while using it, no equipment tangle. It comes with anti-cellulite massage oil, infused with essential oils, and, well, the scent is a bonus in the self-care department. This thing handled everything from arms to belly to thighs, and the cavitation had really brought the I'm at the spa vibes to an at-home session. 3 interchangeable heads felt like having multiple devices in one. The real kicker? You start seeing smoother skin and improved contour within a couple of weeks. Not drastic overnight, but real, sustainable improvement as long as you stay consistent. It also helps with lymphatic drainage and feels especially good after workout sessions. A couple of quick tips: don't skip the oil or gel, otherwise it doesn't glide and feels awkward. Using this on the highest setting offers the best results, but new users should start slow, as it can get a little warm. Honestly, the control you get over your own results and the convenience is just unbeatable compared to most salon trips.
1. BUSHIPIN Body Sculpting Machine. Here's what matters. Right out of the box, it's lightweight and extremely portable, seriously user-friendly, and doesn't have the cord mess that makes others annoying to store. From the very first use, it's apparent why people rave about it. The massager is strong enough for real tissue penetration. It feels like those professional spa body sessions. Whether targeting the stomach, arms, thighs, or even calves, it delivers a soothing effect and steadily knocks back the appearance of cellulite and sagging. The vibration action builds up warmth and seems to help boost circulation. Here's the real kicker, and I mean, this is it. The results show up without the learning curve. In just a couple of weeks of sticking to the routine, clothes fit better, skin felt firmer, and the visible smoothing effect is, well, obvious to not just me, but to anyone who knows me well. No major noise, no odd smells, no excessive heat, just straightforward, effective use and visible progress. If I had to keep just one machine, BUSHIPIN is it. It delivers, it's reliable, and the hassle factor is basically zero. It's the one I'd recommend to a close friend, hands down. Final thought. So there you have it, my full, brutally honest run-through of the 5 best body sculpting machines out now. If you're after something that really works and just want results, you know which one made it to number 1. And if you've tried any of these or have your own go-to, drop it in the comments because, trust me, comparing notes is half the fun.